G'day guys, here we're going to install the Dometic toilet into the fix and rail. All you need is this hook. It's pretty simple. So you look at the back side of the Dometic toilet. This is the lock which attaches both parts, the water tank and the waste cassette. So this hook would go right in here, in the middle. You see that? So what we need to do is undo this screw, one or two, both of them, undo them, and then we put this one here and screw it again. Okay, so to do that conveniently, we're going to put it upside down and use a screw, undo this. Right, so now this is out. And now we put the hook here, align it with the holes. The hook later will come with the hole one cut, so no need to worry about aligning it. And now we'll put the lock back on and tighten it up. Well, that's all. Good to go. It's nice and sturdy. Back on there. So here's a Dometic toilet. Has a fixed hook which goes back on here on top of the fix and rail. That will comply with the regulations. Now we're going to put it back on here. It. That's nice and tight. There you are. So this, by definition, is fixed. So now we lift it up and slide the cassette in. There it is. And once again, when it's on its place nicely and even from all sides, we'll give it a good click.